So we're going to take a look at a very common issue with the Epson ActionNote 500C. So let's turn this one on. So you can see just how much shadowing this display has. And how it's kind of flickering. The contrast is fluctuating by itself. Now on the back of this display there is 9 aluminum surface mount capacitors. I don't remember what the values are, but there's 9 of them. Yeah, look at that. But to fix this issue, you've got to replace those 9 capacitors. It gets a little better as it warms up, but it shouldn't be like this, ever. Yeah, look at that. It almost looks okay right there. You get more on the screen. Yeah, that's not normal. So yeah, time to recap those screens.